everyone, it's Stephanie here and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be taking a closer look at our newest card kit. This month's kit is called Fox and Friends and features a lot of fun products, so let's go ahead and get started. First up, we have the stamp set that's included in this month's kit. It's called Fox and Friends and it's a 4x8" clear stamp set that features a ton of different images that you can combine to create really cute scenes on your card. There is a great assortment of critters facing in both directions, so you can create some really fun interactive scenes. And then you have various houses, trees, clouds, and other elements that you can use to create the scene around your characters. There's also 2 coordinating sentiments included in this stamp set. We do also have the option of purchasing coordinating dies for the stamp set that are separate from this month's kit. So the dies are not included in the kit. You can purchase those separately if you prefer to have the dies with the stamp set. Next up, we have Tiny Houses. This is a die set that is included in the kit and features 2 different houses as well as trees and a grounding element that you can use to create a little scene that you can use for all of your stamped critters. You can layer the elements onto the houses to make them look a little bit more dimensional, and everything is sized to coordinate perfectly with the stamp set in the kit. Next up, we have My Neck of the Woods. This is a 3x4" stamp set that is exclusive to the card kit. This will not be available for purchase on its own. The only way to get this stamp set is to purchase the actual card kit. It features an adorable little scene that has 2 of the houses and trees that coordinate nicely with the other elements in the kit, and there are also 4 different sentiment stamp options that you can add to your cards. Gift Wrap is our newest 6x6 paper pad, and this one features 2 each of 12 designs. All of the designs are the same on each of the papers, but we have a beautiful palette of colors that works great for Christmas time, but all year round. There are multiple colors in this pad that you can use on all of your card designs. So let's take a closer look at all of the colors that you're going to get in this pad. Everything from very soft pastel colors to really bright, bold colors. So there is a great option for everyone. And last but not least, your kit is going to come with a fabulous collection of cardstocks. You're going to get 5 sheets of smooth white, and then you're going to get 12 additional colors, 1 sheet of each of those colors. And the great thing about this cardstock selection is that it's going to perfectly match our new gift wrap paper pad. So you are going to be able to mix and match the pattern papers in the cardstock very easily. So let's go ahead and take one more quick look at all of the products. You have the cardstock and the 6x6 paper pad. You have the Fox and Friends stamp set, which is a 4x8" set. And don't forget, you will have the option to purchase the dies for this stamp set separately if you would like to have the dies as well. We have Tiny Houses, which is an adorable little standalone die set that's going to create some houses as well as trees and grounding elements that is going to pair nicely with your stamp set. And then of course we have the exclusive stamp set, My Neck of the Woods. Once again, I just want to let you know that this stamp set is only available in this month's kit. And then lastly, we have our Free with 60 that's releasing with the kit. If you spend $60 or more before taxes, discounts, and shipping, you will be eligible to receive the new Grounding Elements Free with 60 with your order. So that is our new Fox and Friends card kit. I hope you love all of the great items that we've included in this month's kit. And as always, we can't wait to see what you guys create. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.